What's up, champions? Hey, and in this video we are going to be breaking down one of our OG flows, the Matrix. Hey, if you enjoy this video, if you find any value whatsoever, please just tap that subscribe button, hit the like, but most importantly, enjoy as you were.